In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be a challenge. With so many options on the market, finding the perfect blender to suit your needs can be overwhelming. Enter this Nutribullet full-size blender combo 1200 watts, NBF 50500 dark gray, a powerhouse kitchen appliance designed to elevate your nutrition extraction to new heights. This detailed review will cover everything you need to know about this versatile blender combo, from its powerful motor to its user-friendly design. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home cook, or someone looking to improve their dietary habits, this blender combo promises to deliver exceptional performance and convenience. Why choose the Nutribullet full-size blender combo? 1. Powerful 1200-watt motor. The heart of the Nutribullet blender combo is its 1200-watt motor base. This powerful motor ensures that you can blend a wide variety of ingredients with ease, from soft fruits to hard vegetables and even ice. The high power of the motor guarantees that your ingredients are thoroughly blended, resulting in smooth, creamy textures every time. Imagine whipping up a nutritious smoothie in seconds, or creating a velvety soup that tastes like it's been simmering for hours. With the Nutribullet, all of this is possible and more. 2. Versatile blending options. Flexibility is key when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Nutribullet blender combo excels in this area. It comes equipped with both a multi-serving pitcher and single-serving cups, allowing you to choose the container that best suits your needs. The 64-aughts 1.8 liters blender pitcher is perfect for making large batches of smoothies or soups, while the 32-aughts 900 milliliters and 24-aughts 700 milliliter cups are ideal for single servings or on-the-go use. Whether you're preparing a meal for the whole family or just for yourself, the Nutribullet has you covered. 3. Precision speed settings and functions. The Nutribullet blender combo offers 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extraction program. This range of options gives you full control over your blending process. Whether you need to whip up a quick smoothie, blend a hearty soup, or create a silky sauce, the Nutribullet has you covered. The pulse function is particularly useful for tasks that require short bursts of power, such as chopping nuts or creating chunky salsa. With just the press of a button, you can achieve the perfect texture for any recipe. Customers who have purchased the Nutribullet blender combo consistently praise its power, versatility, and ease of use. Many users highlight the convenience of being able to switch between the large pitcher and single-serving cups, as well as the effectiveness of the extraction program. The easy-to-clean design is another frequently mentioned benefit, with many users appreciating the dishwasher-safe parts and simple assembly. Here are a few testimonials from satisfied customers. I absolutely love my Nutribullet blender combo. It's powerful enough to handle anything I throw at it, and the different speed settings make it so versatile. The best part is how easy it is to clean. Just pop everything in the dishwasher and you're done. This blender has been a game changer for my morning routine. I can make a smoothie in minutes and take it with me on my way to work. The extraction program ensures that I'm getting all the nutrients from my ingredients, which is a big plus for me. The Nutribullet blender combo is worth every penny. It's sturdy, powerful, and so easy to use. I've been able to make everything from smoothies to soups to nut butters with ease. Highly recommend. The Nutribullet blender combo is designed with durability and performance in mind. The Easy Twist extractor blade is made of powerful stainless steel and features cyclonic action, ensuring that all ingredients are thoroughly blended. The pitcher and cups are constructed from high-performance, super durable BPA-free plastic, making them safe for both you and your family. The unit's dimensions are compact enough to fit comfortably on most kitchen countertops, without taking up too much space. Cleaning up after using a blender can often be a tedious task, but not with the Nutribullet blender combo. The pitcher and cups are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Easy Twist extractor blade can be rinsed with soap and water, ensuring that you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. No more scrubbing and soaking. Simply pop the parts in the dishwasher and let it do the work for you. One of the standout features of the Nutribullet blender combo is its ability to extract nutrients from your ingredients. The extraction program is specifically designed to break down fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds to their most absorbable state. This means that you get the maximum nutritional benefits from your ingredients, helping you to lead a healthier lifestyle. Whether you're making a green smoothie packed with leafy greens or a protein shake with nuts and seeds, you can be confident that the Nutribullet is helping you to get the most out of your food. These accessories ensure that you have everything you need to get started right away. The tamper is particularly useful for pushing down ingredients while blending, ensuring a smooth blend every time. The to-go lids make it easy to take your drinks with you, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or running errands. The included recipe book is a great source of inspiration, offering a variety of delicious and nutritious recipes to try. The Nutribullet Blender Combo is designed with user convenience in mind. The control dial is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to switch between speeds and functions effortlessly. The blue LED light ring adds a modern touch and makes it easy to see and adjust settings. The easy unlock and lift system makes it simple to detach the pitcher and cups from the motor base, ensuring that your blending process is smooth and hassle-free. Durability is a key consideration when purchasing any kitchen appliance, and the Nutribullet Blender Combo does not disappoint. It is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, ensuring that it meets rigorous safety and performance criteria. The high-quality materials and robust construction mean that this blender is designed to last, providing you with reliable performance for years to come. In summary, the Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200 watts, NBF 5500 Dark Gray is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen appliance that offers exceptional performance and convenience. With its 1200-watt motor, multiple speed settings, and ability to switch between single-serving cups and a large-capacity pitcher, this blender combo is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their nutrition and enjoy a wide variety of blended creations. The superior design and construction, combined with the comprehensive accessories and hassle-free cleaning, make the Nutribullet Blender Combo a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie enthusiast, a home cook, or someone looking to improve your dietary habits, the Nutribullet Blender Combo promises to deliver on all fronts. Its nutrient extraction capabilities ensure that you get the most out of your ingredients, helping you to lead a healthier lifestyle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your nutrition to the next level with the Nutribullet Blender Combo. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.